All right, guys, we're here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. The fall swap meet. Me and Counts, we've been doing got a lot of bounties, man. So we're picking away at this rusty gold. You guys ain't doing nothing this weekend, come on down. Meet us down here in Pennsylvania, guys, Carlisle, guys, at the swap meet. All right, guys, we are back up here in Carlisle, Fall Carlisle 2022. We're gonna go ahead and look around, man, and see what we can get into. Let's go ahead and pay our ticket here. All right, crew, so we are back here at Carlisle swap meet, 2020 fall swap meet. So last week, actually a week and a half, we just went to Pigeon Forge to the Raw Run show, and now we are here in beautiful Carlisle, guys. We're gonna get all kinds of good deals. So this is the first day, so we're gonna go ahead and see what we can get. We got a buddy here that we see every year. What's going on, man?
Did you pay to get in?
Yeah.
I just gave him a pass.
Oh, he's one way. He's like a highway stop sign, man. He's one way, so he could.
You know.
All right, guys, I got interrupted, but like I was saying, a week and a half ago, we was down in Pigeon Forge. Now we're up here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, guys. We're gonna walk this whole strip here. You see how nice it is. This is the very first day, so we're gonna walk this, and trust me, we will walk this pretty much. I'm not sure how many acres this is, but we're gonna find us some good stuff, man. But first,
You want to look around?
oh, Maryland.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to go put up.
Pretty cool bike there. Little Vespa. You can buy a car for that amount. $3,000.
Like Jansen.
Where are y'all from?
Wait.
Little tractors. Little birdhouses. Little speedster pedal car. That's neat. This old vintage here. Chevrolet with this old heater. Deluxe.
Yeah.
41. Anybody need some carbs? Carburetors. Good luck with getting them tuned.
Excuse me, sir.
Looking for these old pumps. At least I know where there's one at. It's still early. Oh, look at that. Oh, that could be some signs.
Yeah, you'd have to have your money to buy them signs. I ain't got the building. I'm not to keep walking.
No, I like that Amco sign back there.
I said I'd have to have your money. I had one of them sold.
Did you really?
Oh yeah.
Look, yep. See, look, $4,000.
Yeah. Well, I said, go have your money to buy them signs. I ain't got it.
Yeah. We know that's both. We know that's a lie.
I can buy it. I said, well, I'm gonna buy it.
I see you got your eye on it.
I'm serious. I'm thinking about buying it.
Tons of Hot Wheels. These are hot. Any kind of Hot Wheel you want. Rows and rows of Hot Wheels. I tell you what, if you can dream it here at Carlisle, there I have it. Look at that there. There go both my trucks. So this is the pump that we have that we're going to be restoring, but ours is going to look a lot better than this one here.
Yeah, we could take over the whole bottle, crank them up. Really? Oh yeah, work the windshield on.
All right, now we haven't found any must-have items yet, but what's this here? 1954. I like these old cars, I tell you. Yeah, you got these air pumps. Hey, just the head is $1,400 on that thing. $1,400 just for the top.
Oh, well, I know it. Oh, I know. They're high, dude. And the oil.
I like that. I like that old GMC. It sounds good, don't it? It sounds good.
Oh, yeah. It is.
How to drive. Look. I tell you what though, he's using it. That's what it's for. That's all plastic there, ain't it?
Great son.
Paint job looks pretty good on it.
Yeah, ain't bad.
He got some, that look like some hoods back here
I
too.
looked at them while I was waiting on you.
I say I was flying my drone.
This is a cool wagon. Man, I would leave it just like that and put me a nice motor in there.
For sale.
I sure would. Got all the bubble glass in it. How much they want for it?
$12,000.
That's not bad at all. That's a cool little wagon here, man. Look at the hood. Look at the hood. It got the little lace print on it.
I see that. Somebody put
This
that
must
on
be a
there.
California car.
That's what Elvis talked about. He liked doing.
Man, that's pretty cool. Alright, so these are some cool, and I like that. The outdoor speakers there. I got a few of those. Let's see how much this. $150, that's cool. Blades and refills. All right, here's a kerosene pump. It's missing a little pump though. It's missing the pump that goes here. See how much you got on this. You want $300 for this one? Nope, way too much. Ford, New Mexico, no rust. Let's see, 6,000 OBO. I tell you what, it don't have no rust though. He's right. That's pretty cool. That old GMC over there. All right, me and Kels just got through eating, man. I had me a burger and some fries, and he had him some ham and cheese. That was really good. So we're about to go ahead and start round 2. We got some good stuff so far. I actually got some good bounty, man. I got some stuff for my globes, for my gas pumps that I'm working on. So now we're gonna go and see if I'm looking for some heater stuff for my heater. I'm looking for some cables. So I actually use the cables for my door openers and stuff, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So all right, so let's go ahead and get started, see what else we can get. I gotta get me a t-shirt too before I leave here. I always get a Carlisle shirt.
They just,
because I heard him announcing it.
yeah, eBay bought it out several years ago.
Do you have to say, hey, I met old Will here. You don't mind me getting you on camera, do you, Will?
I don't mind.
All right, man. So Will said he'd been watching our videos. So this is your first time coming out to Carlisle?
My first time at Carlisle. I got insight into what to expect based on your videos.
I appreciate that,
I
man.
came from Virginia.
What part of Virginia?
Northern Virginia, to be exact.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So just did a quick day trip.
You by yourself?
By myself,
Wow.
man. And like I said, the only way I knew what to expect was based off your videos. So I appreciate
man,
you.
that's awesome, man. I appreciate
and I
you.
will like, comment, and subscribe.
Appreciate you, man. Hey, you guys heard it, man. Actually, I ran out of battery, so I got to use my phone until I get back to the car and stuff, man. So you guys heard it from Will, man. So hey, go check out the videos, guys. Like I said, this is the place to be. He's from Northern Virginia. Come up here to Carlisle to try to find some hidden treasures, guys.
The real deal.
Real deal, man. All right, guys. All right, Will, man.
Yeah, man. I appreciate you, man.
Hey,
Thanks for letting me be a part.
Yeah, you be on here this weekend. Check me out.
All right, man.
You guys know this
Y'all, cause y'all come down.
well, we got all the bumpers and stuff chromed up back, guys. That's never where we at, bumper boards.
What you got us on YouTube?
Oh yeah. Every year, man, every year. That's what y'all be taking care of us, you know that?
Yeah, first base, Bumper Dave.
Yeah.
Right here.
You guys do take care of us. You Bumper Dave?
Bumper Dave. Peace.
All right, what's up, Bumper Dave? Thank you. MG. All right, guys, so we're out here, man. I tell you, it's been a long afternoon. Hey, met some cool guys, man. Met a gentleman named Will. He's been watching our videos. That's why I do these videos, man, to get them out there, to let people know there's so much out here to do, man. A lot of, especially for your old trucks and cars, if that's what you're into and stuff. So, to hear people tell me, hey, that's the only reason why they came to Carlisle or whatever, just to, get out, walk around, try to find some of that old rusty gold. And even if you don't got a, classic car, there's a lot of stuff out here. There's a lot of stuff to do. Lots of stuff to do out here, man. It's just not all about car stuff. If you like antiques, there's antiques as well. So anyway, I'm trying to cut this video short. We're gonna start up another one first thing in the morning, guys. So we're gonna, right now we basically hit the whole bottom. We still got up here on the hill, we got that left, but this is gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. We're out here in full effect in the fall Carlisle swap meet. Hopefully we can get some videos of the car corral. You guys need to see if I can show you the car corral. Well, you can't really see it, but all the way at the end you can see the cars pulling in down there, man. So many cars. Maybe tomorrow we'll go to the car corral and look around, see what we can find, man. So like I always tell you guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.